Houston, we have a problem. Interesting. Ah, hear that? Let's see if she'll start up. You motherfucker. There you go. Damn, that to stop working. Like musical cars. I don't know if you can hear the noise. Hear it? Hear it? Oh yeah. Good news, bad news. Good news is I think Green Bean's getting a new engine. Bad news is I think Green Bean blew up the engine. Yesterday, did a couple of, how would I call it? Midnight testing. And might have missed a shift. And might have over revved it a little bit since I don't have a rev limiter on this. Noticed a noise, or like a squealing noise. I'm gonna probably dig deeper into it to make sure it's the motor and not maybe a belt or like a pulley that's going bad and locking up. But she's got oil pressure, but she leaned over on power and shut off on me. That was odd, and just the motor didn't feel right. I think I know a bad crank bearing. But good news is I think I located another engine for it. So you get to see another build series of me trying to swap this motor out and rebuild another one or refresh another one in this tiny garage with a little help of a big shed in the back that I'll make into a little workshop, and I'll go into that also. But again, just to recap, this motor was never really completely rebuilt. The heads were redone. I went through the rods and I pulled off a main cap when I bought the short block for this engine years and years and years ago, and it was you know, who knows how many mile engine on it. The bearings look good, everything looked good, but you know, stock rotating assembly, maybe 7,000 RPM shifts, maybe, and a misshift, which then really that's the price you pay. If there's anybody of the LT1 gods out there that want to contribute, who got parts, I'm in New Jersey. But again, I think I located a complete engine out of a Cadillac 5.7 motor with the iron heads on it for a really good price. But I'm not going to make the same mistake again. I'm going to go through that motor and upgrade it, and we'll see what we get done. Well, it's October. I mean, it's winter's coming. I was hoping to get this car on a dyno and some really good fine tuning of it. Start that turbo build in the winter. I think we're still gonna get to the turbo build, but I gotta make sure this is good. Or we could always pull the motor out of the Trans Am and stick it into here. I don't know. All right, quick update. Yeah, look for the build series on this now. All right, bye.